All right, YouTube, the JW Solar USA. This is what I've been doing yesterday, and I just wanted to give you an update. This is the system. It's not much I did up there, but the only thing, guess what? What I did? Ta-da-da! Look at this power wall I just built. A giant monster. Look at that. Look at that. Look how tough that thing is. It's 8 batteries, eGolf from Volkswagen. So these are Japanese batteries built into that thing, incorporated into the eGolf by the Germans. So guys, this is a system. You can see it runs all in parallel, all the black, all the black, all the black. So this is the connection here that makes it to the 24 volts. All these 4 batteries are in parallel and come to this, all the positives here. This is where it came to the 24 volt connection. Okay, I'd even heat shrink this one. This is where it connects. So it came all the way here. These are all the parallel connection. Never mind, don't look at this cable. I ran out of the red one, so that's why I put the heat shrink here, the red one. So guys, this is what it is. And all the way down, the same thing here. This is where terminate the output and the output here for the 24 volts configuration. So this is where it connects to make it the 24. 12 volts from all the way down, all the way up here, and 12 volts all the way up here. And series, this is where the series takes place. So the positive connected to the negative here and makes it to the 12 volts to 24 volts configuration. And here is the termination that comes out, the output that gets into the battery box in there. And that's the disconnect right there. And this is what it is. And it's powering the Magnum inverter, Magnum Energy. And this guy right here, the Outback, there's more projects coming. Stay tuned by the weekend, by God's grace. On the weekend, you guys can see more stuff coming in. And you see the FlexMax 80 and the PT 100. Guys, the mates, you guys are going to be seeing some other stuff here soon that's going to be changing this board. But I have a video that's going to come. What do you think what I'm going to do about this board? Do I have to rebuild this board or leave it the way it is? But I want to have 2 systems going through each other. Maybe get all Magnum machines on one side and takes all Outback on one side. Or I can build a second one that makes 2 systems together. And they're all going to run on different batteries there, which you guys already seen. Here are the Ford Focus batteries in there. So these are all the 48 volt. These are the 24 volts here configuration. The 12 volt system I'm going to show you, which I'm still wrapping up to build everything. So this is the system, guys. This is the updates. Look at this power wall. This is a beast, a giant. So this is a 300 amp on lithium ion or lithium eGolf, 300 amp on 24 volts. If it would have been a 12 volt, that will give it up to a 600 amps. So this is a 8.512 kilowatt. It's sitting right here. Okay, so I can't even fit it in the box. There's a reason, maybe you guys can ask me, but because of this interconnect. Okay, these are the main termination right here that gets inside to that disconnect on that corner right there. So stay tuned. Here's a quick update for you. Love you guys all. Stay tuned, and more to come on the weekend and more weeks to come with more updates. Love you guys all. JW Solar USA in Minnesota. Thanks for watching. And here is the 12 volts that's rocking here. I'm waiting for more updates. You guys stay tuned. You're gonna see here's a 12 volt system here. So power to the 12 volt. And stay tuned, 12 volt, guys, 24 volt and 48. This is what I'm doing right here, JW Solar USA. Thank you.